The early hours of Monday morning, and I'm just getting the car, suitcase in the boot, and I'm heading to Manchester Airport to pre-celebrate my 50th birthday with my friend Robert, who lives in Texas. He's meeting me there in Orlando, and we're going to Disney because that's what 50-year-old men should do. So come with me and I'll show you what we got up to. Here we go. Manchester Airport, early Monday morning, quite tired, but about to board flight. See you in Orlando. I see it, Robert. I see it. I see it. I see it. Actually, sounds really sad. I actually feel a wee bit tingly. Holy moly. Dragnet, if we just flew that. Just flew that shit. Just got our blue milk. First time tasting.
It's alright.
Bubblegum, yogurty drinky type thing? Maybe? Interesting. Look, sir. Droids.
If I get into covert, I'll be ready. Suspicious activity may result in your detention. Move aside, please.
Take an eye out.
Well done. Chosen a part of skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. Builders, when I tell you I'd like you to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and when I give you the signal, together we will activate our lightsabers for the very first time. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Good, it's time. Step forward, place your hand on your switch, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have now built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
We're having funny tauntauns and they're making her mouth come, we don't know why. And we asked about the ingredients, they won't tell us. It's a secret. Good though. When you're just walking down the street in Florida and suddenly these two big massive birds are there.
To Dickley. Hurry. Dickley. Out. Goodbye, Lynn, Robert, Sarah, Amy, Edith, Erica, Helen, Linda, Darling, George, Graham, Beaver.
Give me a cookie, son.